What's up guys, this is Watching Electronics. Today we are going to be looking at this thing. Other people say it's a stun gun and others call it a taser. So today we're going to be looking at what's inside this thing. Yeah, if you take a look at this thing, it is written that 5000 kV. This is equivalent to 5 million volts, right? And it is saying direct current, ultra high voltage. It comes with a rechargeable battery inside. This is the charging port, and this is the charge indicator LED. This is the toggle switch. If you move the toggle switch halfway, the flashlight will turn on, and then if you move the switch a little bit further, this LED will turn on, indicating that the high voltage is now ready to be used. And then you can just press this button and you'll see what will happen. See, this is super high voltage, and when dealing with this high voltage, always be careful. Right, we're going to be looking at what's inside this thing. Yeah, so we have opened this thing. This is the inside of this stun gun. This is the LED. These are the two ports where the spark will jump. This is the push button for activating this high voltage spark, and this is the toggle switch. This is the charging circuit from this charging port. Goes this capacitor onto this rectifier, and then we charge the batteries. And these batteries, they have two AAA small batteries inside them. I think they should give a voltage around 4.5 at max. Yeah, and inside this box, don't really know what's inside here, but that's where the energy conversion will take place, so that it will transform the small voltage into the high voltage. I wonder what is inside this thing. Now I want to measure the voltage of this batteries. $3.8. Yeah. So, and that's for all, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.